Yeah, quick one. Yeah, it's 10 minutes right here, guys. If I start the challenge, let me get this thing clear before people start getting confused of what to do. You see, this is a buy, you can see here, and this is for a sell, you can see it here, and this is where you increase your lot sizes. You can either tap this up button, you can see, to increase it, or you tap this down button to decrease it, or you can actually set it to your own, like 0 0.1, which is 0 point, you can be one lot, standard lot size can be 0 0.50, just like that. You can change it, and there are still other ways, guys, which is you come here and you tap on this trade down here. So you tap on it and you see this top right corner, this cross box here. Please just tap it, you will see. I've not funded the account though. This is the account I'm going to use for the $10 challenge. So when you get here, you see this market execution. This market execution you see here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you see there are tons of orders here. Here we have, let's start from the top. We have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop, we have buy stop, and we have sell stop limit. No, all these are market orders. You're going to make use of majorly this buy limit and the sell limit order. I don't think there will be need for buy stop, sell stop, and buy stop limit and sell stop limit. These four, I might not be using them for this four here. I might not be using them. I'll only be using this buy limit and sell limit order, and maybe we use market execution like straight buy, sell. That's what I will be doing. So what I mean by that buy limit and sell limit order is that when you come to the charts, like now, if you click this up here, it will be very, this is like a shortcut. If you click this button here, it's like a shortcut. If you click on it, you see that it pop up this buy limit order, and these are your settings. You can click on stop loss to set your stop loss. You can click on TP to set your take profit. This is MT5, by the way. I think MT4 does not have this room for all these settings. You can actually move it up and down. MT4 has it manually, like you follow your trades and you follow this process and go click on this top button. That's what I think MT4 has. But for MT5, you can actually click on this. You can actually click here, and this video is getting longer. You can actually click here. If it is like a buy limit order, you want to do a buy limit order, that means you are telling the market that when the market gets to this particular spot, it should buy. So now if I set this market here and I click on my stop loss and I set my stop loss here because I'm buying, and I will take my profit somewhere here. Now that means, and I click here, and if I click place, you can see, click place here. If you click place now, you can see buy limit order, see the lot size you are using, and look at your price, the current price you want to buy. Look at your stop loss here and look at your you can actually even manually change everything here by increasing your lot size. You can actually manually increase it, your lot size here manually. You see when I tap on the right hand, it's increasing, and when I click on the low side, let's see, yeah, it has come to 0 0.01. This is 0 0.2, 0 0.3. It keeps increasing. +5, you see now, it keeps increasing. Decreasing, and that's it. So you can manually change your take profit. This green is take profit, you can manually change it, and this red is stop loss, you can manually change it. The current price you want to buy at, this is the price, and the market execution is a buy limit order that you are setting. That's just it, guys. So if you please, I don't have money here, so even if I now, it has set. Now if you come here now, that means you have set a limit order waiting for execution. You can see place. You can see here there is no money in my account, guys. So you can see placed, and immediately the market came in contact with, oh my god, immediately the market came in contact with this buy limit order. What will happen is the market will trigger and the market will start buying. If it takes to your ATP, you are good to go. If it hits your stop loss, you are good to go. That's one thing about buy limit order. Now, reverse is the case when it comes to sell limit order. Sell limit order is when you are selling. Quick one. Buy limit order is below the current price, while sell limit order is set above the current price. Okay, that means if the current price is here, that means you are buying below this current price. That's why you have to sell it. You have to set your buy limit order below the current price, and your sell limit order has to be above this current price because you are selling the market above the current price. That is it. So if you have to set your sell limit order, it has to be, you see now, immediately it change. You can see now it's changing to a sell limit order. So now let me say we are selling here. Our take profit, our stop loss has to be somewhere here or above. That's our stop loss, and our take profit has to be here. Let me go and delete this order. Let's delete this, our former thing that we set. We have deleted it. So now let's do another one, which is a sell limit order. So immediately you tap on it, it will show. Immediately you tap on this, it will show. What I did was I was trying to change our former buy limit order that we've set already, but it did not work. So you have to delete it before you set a sell limit order. You can leave it and still set a sell limit order though, but I don't want to do it that way because there will be too much graph on the screen. So you tap here, and then what you do is to drag it above to your current, the price that you want to sell. Let's say we want to sell 9480. Okay, 9480. We want to sell 9480, and our stop loss is above, let me say 500, and our TP is somewhere here. Let's make it 60. Our TP is 60. Now, what you are telling is the market to do is, if it comes to this, if the market trade into this zone, if it trades into 1.09480, the market should execute a sell order for you in absentia. Yes, it should do it in absentia because you are not presently there. So that's what you are telling the market to do, just like that. So this is your take profit. You have set it, and if you are setting, you set above. If you are selling, you set it above the current price, which is this, and if you are buying, you set it below the current price, which is this. That's how to set a limit order. I say make I just update on this one. I know many of us sabi, and many of us go get confused when I say sell limit order. That's how to sell a set limit order. And if you click on that, okay, you come to this place here to execute the market. You can actually increase your lot size here by just play around with all these things, you know. Sell limit order, this is your price, this is this. You can type all these things, and then you press place. Even if you are using a an MT4, you can actually set all those things manually by coming to here. When you click here, you know how to go about it. See, your limit order has been placed. There is no money in this account. This is the account that I'm going to be using, and it's a real account, guys. It's a real account. It's a real account. You can see it. That's just it, guys. As I make an update on that. Thank you very much.